Oh, sorry about that. I was in my own little world. I was just thinking about the other week when I had the opportunity to see the Ministry of Sound Orchestra, and they had a silent disco. And as you went in, they said all of the headphones were being sanitized, and you collected your headphones, and it was amazing. The only challenge is it reminded me of best practice when it comes to disinfecting wipes. And the whole policy is one wipe, one surface, one direction, dispose. And the reason for that is that will get rid of about 70% of the germs and viruses off the surface. But it was found the second you go to another surface with the same wipe, every single time you just are recontaminating the surface. So you're basically moving the germs from this person to this person to this person. I'm going to get back to some music. Bye.